Welcome to the Adsonica Academy.
In this video, you'll learn how to build a static audio display ad that combines a single image and an audio file in just several minutes. You'll need three things before getting started. First, you'll need an image file which can be a JPEG or a PNG. Second, you'll need an audio file which can be an MP3 or an M4A, or a script for a voiceover with our text-to-speech feature. Your audio track can be any length, but we recommend using a track under 60 seconds to maximise engagement and optimise the ad loading speed. Make sure you've got these files saved to your desktop so you're ready to upload them in the studio. In addition to these creative elements, you need a target URL. That's the landing page the user will go to when they click anywhere on the ad apart from the listen button. I've got these elements ready, so now I'm ready to sign in. Begin by choosing your ad size. Right now I'm going to pick the medium rectangle, which is one of the most common display ad sizes. Of course, you can pick any of these or even choose custom if you want to do something non-standard. Then choose the DSP that you'll use to serve the ad. If your preferred DSP isn't listed, or if you're unsure which DSP you're using, please contact us. I'm choosing Google Ad Manager, so I select it and I click Continue. Now, welcome to the studio. On the left is the design bar where you upload your elements. In the center is the canvas where you'll see your audio display ad come to life. In the top right hand corner you've got buttons for previewing and saving your ad. And just use the chat feature in the bottom right hand corner if you've got a question, and we'll be happy to help. Now, there are 5 steps to creating your ad. Step 1 is to add your target URL. I'm using an ad we did for a Sony music artist called Emily West, so I'll set the URL to her website, which is emilywestofficial.com. Step 2 is to enable impression tracking, which allows you to get analytics from your campaign. So to do that, just tick the Add Impression Tracking box, then enter the company name, which is Sony in this instance, along with a campaign ID and an ad ID. It's really important that these IDs are unique and not used in any other campaigns. For this one, I'm just going to do the name of the campaign, which is Emily West Album, followed by the date. And for the ad ID, I'm going to use the file name, which is Emily West, and then the size of the ad. And again, I'll just follow that with the date. Then I click Accept, and the impression tracking is enabled. So step 3 is to upload your image. Just click Upload a File to pick an image you saved earlier. The image I'm using for this one is a headshot of Emily, which was used to promote her album. Step 4 is to add your audio. Again, just load one of your files. So I click Upload a File, and I'm using a short music clip from a song on Emily's album. As I mentioned earlier, there are no limits to the audio file duration in the studio. This one is 8 seconds. Just keep in mind any file size limits imposed by your DSP. So now, step 5 is to choose a listen button. We place a default listen button on your ad, which you can change. So you can go to this drop-down menu here and upload one by clicking Image. You can create one by selecting Custom, or you can choose from our gallery of preset buttons like this listen button. And we find that the ones with a call to action such as listen are most effective. For this one, I'm going to upload my own image, so I just do Upload a File, and I pick my listen button. Drag and drop the button to the best position on your ad. We often find that the top left corner is the best position as people are reading from left to right and top to bottom. Then after these 5 steps, your ad is ready to preview. But first, something I always do is enabling the pause and stop icons after someone's clicked play. So to do this, I show the advanced options and tick the first one in the menu. We will go over these advanced options in a separate video, including the text-to-speech, which was mentioned in the introduction. So now I am ready to preview my ad, and you'll see that preview is flashing in the top right-hand corner. So I click Preview, and then I can click on the listen button to see how it sounds.
I'm biting, I kick it nice, and I scratch like a lion in a cage. Bitter, and I feel
I'm happy with this, but if I wanted to make any changes, I could just click the tab on the left to return to the design bar. But I am happy with it, so I'll go over to Save Ad in the top right hand corner. There are various options for saving, so watch our Saving Your Ad tutorial to learn more about each of them. Right now I'm just going to download it as a Google Ad Manager zip. And it's gone straight into my downloads folder. So that's all you need to know to create a static audio display ad. Thank you for watching this Adsonica Academy tutorial. Now you're ready to distribute audio display ads, harnessing the power of sound to increase engagement and brand awareness across the internet. Get started in the studio today or head to the Academy for more tutorials.